हाय एवरीवन। आज मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है, आज मेरा पूरा गला दुख रहा है। टुडे इज़ द लास्ट संडे बिफोर क्रिसमस, सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर स्टारबक्स। वहाँ पर मैं एक कॉफ़ी पी लूँगी। आई एम नॉट अ कॉफ़ी पर्सन बट आई लाइक द कॉफ़ी फ्रॉम स्टारबक्स। बच्चों के लिए मिल्क शेक, और कोइंसिडेंटली आज हम सब ने मैचिंग कपड़े पहने हैं। यहाँ पर किंगस्टन में हाफ 50 साइड नया स्टारबक्स खुला है, तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं वहाँ पर ट्राई करें। राइट जूनिया?
Yes. It's open 2 days, 3 days actually.
Because Jonas is working from last 2 days at the store and he's making me feel proud. So मैं इन लोग को आज स्टारबक्स में लेके आई हूँ। सुबह जल्दी उठ गए हैं। तो ये मॉल प्लाजा में खुला है। ये हमारा मेन रोड है और यहाँ पर है ये स्टारबक्स नया खुला हुआ। Let's go guys.
Starbucks coffee. I'm gonna get a biscuits and a milkshake.
Okay, biscuit and milkshake. Okay, great. Morning. So you want this?
Ice, cinnamon latte, or a can. No, I'm not gonna take. No, I'm not. I don't like candy. It tastes weird.
Okay.
54 or 55.
Before we go inside, they say they want to run up and down here for a little while, so I allow them.
Mommy, why is there someone inside?
Inside you smell good.
Mommy, since.
Good morning.
Mommy, why is Starbucks open? Why is someone inside the Starbucks already?
I usually allow them to go to the cashier and place their order and make a payment by themselves. Junior?
I don't know which one is the one.
और मैंने 2 मिल्क शेक लिया है दोनों बच्चों के लिए।
And 2 lollipop birthday cake.
Oh, so you took the birthday
Yeah.
cake pop.
Wait, they also had cookie and cream too. Cookie and what?
And I changed my mind. I didn't order any coffee for myself. No, I don't want. It's nice.
I don't like it. No, it tastes so good. Yes. The rest of goat from Russia. I mean, you dip it? Eat it. It's the best. So I just want more. Bob's another nip. Keep it right there. I really want to. I really. This one. Which one? This one or this one? This is like I'm afraid that this is gonna break first. This is.
How is it?
Good.
Nice?
Man. Sweet and sweet.
Really? Alright, so they're taking this cup.
That's mine. Edwin is natural. See, it's working. Oh my god, mommy, look at that.
Of course, Junior have to follow Jonas, right?
Yeah. I have the caramel in mine. Starbucks or just India? The last time I had this,
That's our visit to Starbucks. Thanks for watching.